Hey everybody, here's my lesson on how the dot works in music. The dot adds half the value of the note. So here is a whole note. A whole note is equal to 4 quarter notes. So a dot is going to add half of that, which would be 2 more. So a dotted whole note would be equal to 6 quarter notes. We don't see it too often, but possible places for this to fit would be 6/4 time or 12/8 time, because those measures are big enough for a dotted whole note. Now, let's do the next type of note that we have is a half note, and that's equal to 2 quarters. So if we're going to add a dot, that's going to add half of 2, which is 1. So a dotted half note equals 3 quarter notes. This one we find very often in 4/4 time, but we'd have to have another quarter note to fill up the bar. It fits perfectly into 3/4 time. We see this one a lot. Now the next type of note that we have is a quarter note. A quarter note equals, dividing it up into 2, we're going to subdivide, so it's like having a dollar and making it into quarters. Now we want to add half of that, so that would be 1/8 note. So a dotted quarter note equals a total of 3/8 notes. So this one also fits in lots of different key signatures. And, oh, I meant time signatures. Time signatures. All right, then lastly, we're going to work on an 1/8 note here. If we divide the 1/8 note into 2 parts, that would be 2 equals 1/16 notes. We're going to add a dot to that, so that would be only 1/16 note worth. So a dotted 1/8 note equals 3/16 notes. All right, now in a different video, we're going to tap and play all of these. And that's how a dot works.